How to start a secret conversation on Facebook Messenger. To get started, open up the Facebook application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Facebook homepage where you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the Messenger icon. You will then be taken to the Facebook Messenger app. Here, you can view all your chats with friends. Open any chat from here. Then, tap on the name at the top. Over here, scroll down to the Privacy and Support section. Tap on Disappearing Messages. Now, select 24 hours. You have successfully turned on Disappearing Messages. Type in any message over here and send it. Your message will now disappear 24 hours after they've been sent. Following these steps, you can easily start a secret conversation on Facebook Messenger.